I like this one. This is going to be pretty fun. Given g of x equals 2x to the fifth plus b, where b is some number, some constant that we don't know, over x squared, find the value of b if g prime of 2 is 180. So what I have to do is I have to take the derivative of this guy. Before I can take the derivative, let me rewrite it out. G of x is going to equal 2x to the fifth. Now I'm going to use the power rule. Okay. This isn't good for the power rule right now because x is on the bottom, so I'm going to move x to the top and make it x to the negative 2 power. Now I can apply the derivative. G prime of x has me dropping this 5 down and multiplying it to 2, so drop the 5 down, multiply it to 2 times x, and subtract 1 from here. So 5 minus 1. Drop this negative 2 down, so plus negative 2 times some b, and then we're going to subtract 1 away from that negative 2, so negative 2 minus 1. Okay, so simplifying that, g prime of x is going to be 5 times 2 is 10, x to the 5 minus 1 is 4, plus, actually minus, so let's get rid of that, let's get rid of that, minus 2b, or not 2b, x to the negative third. Shakespeare joke. It's okay. Now what do I do? Well, I know that if I replace x with 2, I get 180. All right, so if I replace x, so g prime of 2 is 180, which means I replace each of these x's with 2. Maybe before I do that, why don't I quick rewrite this so that it looks like that? And now what I'll do is I'll replace every x with 2. So I get 10 times 2 to the fourth, minus 2b over 2 to the eighth. Third, I'm sorry. I accidentally jumped ahead and did it. All right, so let me move this over here where I'm probably going to need the space. We have 180 equals 10 times 2 to the fourth is going to be 10 times 16. Minus 2b over 8. So 180 is going to equal 160 minus b over 4. Now it's a two-step equation. Subtract 160, subtract 160. On the left side, you get 20 equals negative b over 4. Right? Multiply both sides by negative 4. Multiply both sides by a negative 4. That crosses out along with the negatives, and b equals negative 4 times 20 is negative 80. What a strange problem. I liked it though. You had to think about it a little bit, but you know, that's how you do it. Power rule, fun.